Sa international law naman, ang International Criminal Court has rejected the challenge by former President Duterte na walang jurisdiction ang ICC to prosecute and hold him for trial for crimes against humanity on the ground that the Philippines has withdrawn from the Rome Statute in 2018. At dahil nag-withdraw tayo, wala nang authority ang ICC over his person and over the subject matter. Isa na namang legal remedy ng team ni Duterte to prevent an actual trial from taking place. And the question now is, will he stand trial? Is there any obstacle for the trial to proceed in The Hague? Noong October 23 lang linabas, yung ICC Pre-Trial Chamber unanimously dismissed the petition, yung legal challenge ni Pangulong Duterte. At ang sabi nila, although the Philippines has withdrawn its membership to the ICC sometime in February 2018, the crimes have been committed prior to the withdrawal at habang member pa rin tayo ng ICC. And because of this, yung Rome Statute will have to apply to former President Duterte because the offenses were committed during the time when he was mayor of Davao City and continued up to the time na he became President of the Philippines. Sinasabi nila na yung Rome Statute, yung company President Duterte, Article 12, Paragraph 2 of the statute requires a state to be a party at the time that the court exercises its jurisdiction. Ang sinasabi nila, hindi pa nagsimula ang trial, so wala pang jurisdiction. Pero ang sabi ng ICC, nagsimula yung jurisdiction ng ICC when they started investigating. No? When they started investigating even prior to 2018. And of course, sinasabi nila na you have to balance yung withdrawal at saka yung accountability. At sabi nila, hindi pwedeng gamitin ang defense na nag-withdraw ka from the ICC to cover up or protect yourself against the crimes you have committed.